Well, my name's Edward Sun. I'm the CEO and Chairman of Sun Global Broadband in Honolulu, Hawaii. And I'm proud to be part of the Wireless Broadband Alliance here. Sun Global Broadband is a unique carrier. We basically are an extension of Asian carriers who have their traveling tourists into Hawaii. So we're the lucky guys who adopt all of the Japanese, Chinese, Korean, and European travelers to Hawaii. When someone comes onto our network, they typically subscribe in their country. So when they land here, they can have a total guest experience, which is prior to travel, during the travel, and while they're in Hawaii and when they go back. So we provide a total experience for everything of their needs, which is everything from hotel to transportation, to malls and venues, to special shows and events, to public safety and city governance. And that's the calling card of Sun Global Broadband. One of the things that we're very proud of is we have a cultural experience that we share with some of these Asian countries, including Japan, Korea, China, and other points. So we're kind of a hub in the Pacific Rim, and Sun Global Broadband is a hub in technology, joining forces with all of the Asian carriers to bridge the gap between Hawaii, Japan, other parts of Asia, as well as the United States. You know, the key focuses with Global Reach is that, first of all, we're trying to make our experience totally transparent. Part of Global Reach's strength is that they have applications and ability to authenticate the traveler either from cellular or from other Wi-Fi networks using something called Hotspot 2.0 or Passpoint. It makes the experience seamless between transitions between different wireless networks as well as cellular and other types of networks like LoRaWAN onto Wi-Fi. Other part of our relationship with Global Reach, as well as with NTT Broadband and some of the other companies, is that Global Reach is heavily invested in the hospitality industry. Of course, anyone who's been to Waikiki knows that our hotels in Hawaii are occupied at a rate of about 90% plus most times. So we have 9 million tourists visiting Hawaii, and we have 1 million residents. So we're pleased to be presenting a total solution for those 9 million new people visiting Hawaii every year. One of the key things about being a member for WBA is it's a little different than most other organizations that I've joined. There's some that are certification bodies, in which case everyone there is pitching their technology. There are other organizations which are basically those that are trying to push a certain technology over the other. The Wireless Broadband Alliance is very key because it's a group and consortium of different types of wireless technologies, and everyone here is looking at how they can actually join forces to create a single ecosystem for all of wireless. As part of that, you have cellular carriers here. You have people who are doing Internet of Things and smart city using technologies like LoRaWAN, which is low power, wide area network systems for IoT. And you have Wi-Fi carriers representing all types of different vertical markets. The good thing about the WBA is everyone is here looking at how to interoperate and therefore expand the ecosystem of wireless all over the world.